Key differences between managed and unmanaged dedicated hosting. Dedicated hosting is the most powerful web hosting platform that is customizable, scalable, and flexible. There are two types of dedicated hosting solutions, managed and unmanaged, both of which offer comparable performances. Here are some key differences between the two that will help you make the right choice for your website. Price difference. Unmanaged dedicated hosting is cheaper up front but has additional cost of maintaining an expert server team. Managed cloud hosting costs more but saves you the hassles and the cost of server management resources. Tuned performance. Unmanaged dedicated hosting needs a deep-level expertise to get maximum performance from the server. A managed dedicated hosting server is tuned for maximum performance by the hosting provider. Regular maintenance. As a site owner with unmanaged dedicated hosting, the responsibility of server maintenance is on you. In managed dedicated hosting, maintenance and updates are handled by the hosting provider. Robust security. With full root access, you can set up your hosting server's security to the best of your capability. In managed dedicated hosting, security is configured by a team of experts. Active support. Unmanaged dedicated hosting comes bundled with 24/7 live, expert support that's just a phone call away. In managed dedicated hosting, your server is constantly monitored by a team of experts which springs into action during emergencies. HostGator's managed dedicated hosting offers a tailor-made ecosystem, advanced 24/7 technical support, and proactive monitoring. Get an advanced hosting solution that offers uncompromising performance, robust security, and maximum control.